How to make money on Upwork as a whiteboard animator. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. So you all know Upwork.com, so let's just get into it and let's show you how to make money. So the first thing you do is type Upwork.com in your browser, then click on the get started button to create your profile. Here you choose the freelancer option, apply as a freelancer, and here you fill this information: first name, last name, the usual stuff. For me, I'm just going to continue with my Google account or not. Here I'm just going to log in to my account. Here, continue with the email, log in. So here you will proceed to create your profile, and I'm going to show you the most important steps in creating your profile. So these are the first steps of creating your profile. You click on get started. This is the first step. You click on get started. Then you answer these questions, and I'm just going to skip them for now to save your time. There are some easy questions, and here you will need to choose one of these. You choose both of them, then click on next to create a profile, and here you can just import your resume from LinkedIn, or you can upload it if you have it in a PDF file, or you can just fill it out manually as I'm going to do. And here, start a new profile. So here you choose your profession, your professional role. So for me, it's a whiteboard animator. I'm going to type it in here, whiteboard animator. Then you add your experience, your education, clients to know. Add your education in here. I'm going to skip that for now. And here you tell them which languages you speak. So for example, if it's English, it must be English. All profiles include English. Here you choose the level. If you are basic in English, conversational, fluent, native, or bilingual. It's good conversational. Then click on next to add your skills. And here you enter your skills. Let's go with whiteboard animator. I'm going to choose animator. Let's choose one of these, for example. Then click on next to write an overview. So here, basically, you will go to ChatGPT like this, for example, and you will get a bio exactly like this one for your own profile. So guys, make sure to give your profile a good bio, because it's very important in order to set a good profile and in order to get a lot of clients. So here you just go here, say I'm a whiteboard. Here you tell ChatGPT your profession and give me a bio for that's it for my Upwork profile. And as you can see, there is something wrong with ChatGPT for now. So this is just the idea. You give them this phrase and they will give you a good bio. Just copy and paste it in here. Make sure to read it and correct any mistakes if there is any. Then you click on next to choose your category. So here, let's just fill it out with this text. Then you proceed to choosing your category. So here you can choose a category in here, the category that suits you. For me, I'm just going to choose the suggested services. Then click on next to set your rate or your price. Let's go with $19 an hour, and Upwork takes approximately $2 from that, and you will have $17 left. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here guys, make sure when you add your photo, as you will read in here, make sure to show the client the best version of yourself. And as you can see, it must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip arts, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed in this section. So here click on attach photo to upload a photo from your laptop to your Upwork profile. And when you're done with filling this information, click on review your profile. After that, I'm going to show you how to get clients for your profile. So let's just log out, and here let's go to upwork.com and go to find work, the find work section. In here you'll have 3 options. Let's just wait for it to load. As you can see here, you have ways to earn, find work for your skills, find ways to promote yourself. Let's go with find work for your skills, and here just type your profession or your talent or your skill in here, and you'll have a lot of job posts from people that are looking for someone to work for them or with them. So here just look for example, let's go with our profession, which is a whiteboard animator. Let's type it in here and let's see what we can find. We find one result, and this is it. We have some examples like a video production specialist. He pays, let's go back. So this man will pay $50, a fixed price, and you'll have just to have an intermediate experience level for in doodle animation video remake, and you'll have a lot of work to choose from, like this one for $400, $300, $50, $20, and you can choose whatever you like. And if you want to improve your profile, just go to this search bar and search for talents exactly like you and spy on their profiles, see what is working for them, and just copy it into your profile, and it will work for you as well. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.